Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're like me, summer is a time to enjoy the great outdoors. Barbecues, camping, hanging out with friends, and soaking up the sun. But there's one little buzzkill that seems to love the summer just as much as we do. Mosquitoes. Have you ever noticed that while you're outside enjoying the weather, some people seem to get bitten by mosquitoes way more than others? Maybe you're one of those people who always ends up with a bunch of itchy bites, while your friend right next to you seems completely untouched. Well, today we're diving into the science behind why mosquitoes bite some people more than others. So grab your bug spray and let's get started. Mosquitoes. What's the deal? Let's start with the basics. There are over 3,000 species of mosquitoes around the world, but only a few of them actually bite humans. The ones that do are the females, and here's why. Female mosquitoes need the protein found in blood to produce their eggs. That's right. Those annoying bites aren't just for fun. They're a critical part of the mosquito's reproductive process. But why do they seem to prefer some people over others? Let's explore the factors that make you a mosquito magnet. Factor 1. Your body odor. One of the main reasons mosquitoes are more attracted to some people has to do with body odor. Our skin emits a variety of smells based on the bacteria that live on our skin, the food we eat, and our overall metabolism. Mosquitoes have an incredible sense of smell, and they're particularly drawn to certain chemicals that our bodies release. Lactic acid, uric acid, and ammonia are some of the key players. People who produce more of these chemicals, either naturally or due to factors like exercise, tend to attract more mosquitoes. So if you've just finished a workout, you might find yourself swatting at more mosquitoes than usual. Factor 2. Carbon dioxide. Another big reason mosquitoes might prefer you over someone else is the amount of carbon dioxide, CO2, you exhale. Mosquitoes can detect CO2 from up to 50 meters away, and it helps them zero in on their target. People who exhale more CO2 are more likely to attract mosquitoes. This is why adults tend to get bitten more than children. They simply breathe out more CO2. Larger individuals or those who are physically active also exhale more CO2, making them prime targets for these pesky insects. Factor 3. Body temperature and sweat. Mosquitoes are also attracted to warmth. They can sense body heat, and people with higher body temperatures are more appealing to them. This is another reason why mosquitoes are more likely to bite after exercise or when you're outside on a hot day. In addition to heat, sweat is another attraction factor. When you sweat, your skin releases more of those smelly chemicals we mentioned earlier. Plus, sweat itself has its own distinct scent that mosquitoes seem to love. So the next time you're breaking a sweat, just know that you might be calling over some unwanted guests. Factor 4. Blood type. Now here's an interesting one. Blood type. Some studies suggest that people with type O blood are more attractive to mosquitoes than those with other blood types. In fact, people with type O blood are almost twice as likely to get bitten as those with type A blood. It's thought that mosquitoes can sense the sugars that our bodies secrete based on blood type, and they show a preference for type O. So if you're type O and constantly getting bitten, now you know why. Factor 5. Genetics. Your genes also play a big role in how attractive you are to mosquitoes. Research shows that up to 85% of the reason why mosquitoes prefer some people over others can be linked to genetics. Your genetic makeup influences everything from the natural scent your body emits to how much CO2 you exhale, and even your blood type. Unfortunately, this means that if you're a mosquito magnet, you might have your parents to thank for it. Factor 6. Alcohol consumption. Here's one that might surprise you. Drinking alcohol can make you more attractive to mosquitoes. Studies have found that even just one 12-ounce beer can increase your chances of getting bitten. The exact reason isn't entirely clear, but it's thought that alcohol increases your body temperature and the amount of ethanol excreted in sweat, both of which could draw mosquitoes in. So next time you're enjoying a cold one at a barbecue, you might want to have some bug spray on hand. Prevention tips. All right, Now that we know why mosquitoes love biting some people more than others, let's talk about what you can do to protect yourself. Wear light-colored clothing. Mosquitoes are attracted to dark colors, so try wearing lighter shades when you're outdoors. Use mosquito repellent. DEET, picaridin, and oil of lemon eucalyptus are all effective at keeping mosquitoes at bay. Stay indoors. During peak hours, mosquitoes are most active during dawn and dusk, so try to stay inside during these times. Get rid of standing water. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in stagnant water, so make sure to empty out any containers that might be collecting rainwater around your home. Use fans. Mosquitoes aren't strong flyers, so setting up a fan can help keep them away. So there you have it. Mosquitoes might seem like just an annoying part of summer, but there's a lot going on behind the scenes that determines why some of us get bitten more than others. From the chemicals in our sweat to the carbon dioxide we exhale, mosquitoes are experts at picking out their next meal. If you're one of those people who always seems to get bitten, hopefully, this video has given you some insight into why that might be, and maybe even a few tips to avoid those itchy bites next time. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun and informative content. And as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you.